Hi folks, it's Friday, September 27th, and look at this. We're at the corner of 2nd and 3rd Avenue in Port Colborne in a residential area. And look at this, folks. Obviously, this car got creamed. It got hit. Look at the tire on the ground. It got hit by this truck, it looks like. There's stuff on the road. The police have got this area closed off, folks. Look at the debris. Anyways, if you're going down 3rd Avenue today, if you can get around and use one of the other areas around it, besides going through 2nd Avenue. Anyways, it doesn't look like anyone got hurt, which is good. And again, avoid 3rd Avenue at 2nd Avenue today for a couple hours until they get this investigated and cleaned up. Hey, this is an exclusive report from Norm Discovers.